Okay, so you might have noticed some photos that you've taken on your iPhone or iPad might not be able to be opened on other devices. Now, this is because Apple have set recordings of pictures and videos in high efficiency mode. So we've got an option here. We can change it back to the normal JPEG mode, which basically means the picture sizes stored on our iPhone or iPad will be slightly larger, but they will be more compatible with other programs such as like Windows PCs, etc. So how do you change these settings? Now, this particular thing, I must tell you, it won't actually convert any of the pictures you've taken already, but it will mean any pictures that you've take in future will be in JPEG rather than HEIC, which JPEG is more compatible across the board. Now, I'm hoping to do a video which shows you how to convert these files into JPEG later on, so look out for that. But first of all, what you need to do is you need to go into settings just here, so just tap settings, okay, and then we need to scroll down and we need to find camera, and there we go, there's the camera section there, so just tap camera. Okay, and then we need to tap on formats, so tap formats there, and as you can see it's set on mine to high efficiency because there's a tick just to the right of high efficiency. So like I say, if you do want to make these more compatible with other devices, then just tap most compatible. There we go, most compatible. And with that ticked, that means any pictures you take and any videos you shoot in future will be in a format that's more compatible with more devices such as Android phones, Windows PCs, even some older Macs, etc. The file size will be slightly larger, but obviously it is a trade-off for compatibility. If you want to change it back, then just do the same thing, go through settings and then go to camera and then just put the tick back next to high efficiency. So there you go. I hope this guide helps, and thanks very much for watching.
You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.